So hello guys, welcome back to our channel Making Arts and Technology with Saketh. So in this video, oh shit, ah, oh my god, wow! I made this last second alarm guys.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
So I will show you in this video how to make this secret alarm guys. As a wish guys, you can make any light guys, but here I'm using the phone light guys, phone light. I uh, I will show in between. I will show in between guys. So let's start our video. So guys, take a PVC sheets and make a small box guys for uh, for making for making circuit in this box guys. So next guys, take a 9-volt battery guys with the cap guys. You can use any type of battery guys here. You want to place here guys, place it here. For that, take another PVC sheet guys, make a small jugaad guys, like this, and place it here guys. Apply Fevikwik guys. For the jugaad, apply Fevikwik guys to make it strong. So see guys, I'm just like this guys. Done guys. After that guys, wait a second. After that guys, be careful guys here. Place a 9-volt battery guys, and external wire should be outside like this guys. External wires here, here positive and negative guys. Okay guys, after that, take a BCA 547 transistor guys. Solder so guys, solder negative pin to negative wire to third wire of third pin of transistor guys, means emitter. After that guys, after take 100k resistor guys, solder to first pin and second pin guys. So guys, see here guys, we want to solder the 100k resistor guys to first terminal of the VC5 transistor guys, and second terminal guys. Then after, take a buzzer guys and solder the negative wire to first terminal of the transistor guys. So see guys, like this guys, solder the negative terminal to first terminal of the BC5 transistor guys. After that, take a switch guys, solder the battery positive battery positive and buzzer positive to this switch guys. So see guys, solder solder HL battery positive wire and buzzer positive wire to switches, guys. Both side of switches. Then after that, guys, take a LDR sensor, guys. LDR means light depending resistor, and solder it to second transistor second terminal to terminal, guys. हो गया guys almost. Then after we want to do cuttings, guys, for buzzer switch and LDR, guys. So guys, see here, guys, I was putting holes, guys. Here one hole for LD, here buzzer, for buzzer one hole, and for LDR one hole, guys. After that, guys, cover this total part with PVC sheet, guys, like this. Let's see, guys, what happens. This is my magic, guys. You can't do it, guys. See, guys, I made this secret alarm, guys. So now I will explain how it works, guys. Here LDR switch, inside a buzzer battery, transistor, 10k resistor. There, guys. After now I will show how it works, guys. For that I am offing the light, guys, because I will show what here on the switch, guys. It will not sound because of light there, guys. Light. Now I am closing my finger here, guys. See. Why? Because means, guys. Why? Why why it sounds, guys? When LDR, this LDR, guys, it means light depending resistor, guys. It means light depending resistor. When light will pass, guys, it will not sound. Either light, laser light, anything, guys. When light was absent, guys, like this. When light was absent, I mean to say, see, guys, where light was absent, guys. When light was absent, guys, it will start beeping, guys. You will think, Saketh was doing fake videos, but this is real, guys. Now I will show how it works. For that, I'm offing the light. See, guys, my cameraman starter. Cameraman, give that light. Go, cameraman. See, guys. Funny, guys. I'm not doing any fake, guys, here. See, guys. I'm on the light, guys. How do you like this video, guys? Please like, share, subscribe, guys. Don't forget to press on bell icon, guys. So, guys, see here, guys, circuit diagram is given, guys. Follow this circuit diagram, guys. Then after, see here, guys, so many members were not subscribing to our channel, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, guys. Reach up to 100 subscribers, guys, so I can reveal my face, guys. Then after next video, in next video I want to do fire alarm, guys. Comment if any two comments was came, guys. I will start doing fire alarm, guys. In next shot, guys, I will show how we want to put this total system, guys, at the door, guys. I will show in next shot, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, guys. Don't forget to press on bell icon, guys. Okay, let's meet in next video, guys.